What is going on, guys? Your main man James here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing a really good method, kind of a new method that a lot of you are gonna watch this video and you're gonna say to yourself, why didn't I think about that? This is a really solid method, and it's gonna help you to promote various offers in a very profitable niche. All right, so let's get going. All right, so if we go to offer world, and what we want to do is we want to make the most amount of money. We want to make the max amount of money. And so if I go in here and I sort by payout, right? So if I click on this, this is the minimal payout, right? And these are going to be offers paying a cent per email, which is very small amount. This is definitely underpaying. But if you click this, let's say I want to make a lot of money. You probably want to make a lot of money. We all want to make a lot of money. That's why we want to go for a lot of these high paying offers. Okay, so if I do that, so I'm seeing a lot of these offers across a lot of these CPA affiliate networks and even affiliate marketing networks, traditional affiliate marketing. And we have a lot of the we buy any home, right, mass stored. And if you do that, right, there's a small problem is that you see a lot of Bitcoin offers. And the thing about Bitcoin is kind of hard to promote because it requires a person to spend a lot of money. It requires them to put up a deposit. And the other problem with Bitcoin is a lot of these offers are like spams. There's a lot of shady stuff going on. And I don't really like to promote Bitcoin and crypto too much because it's just a lot of shady stuff going on. I think you know what I'm talking about if you ever been exposed to something like this. And now you can keep kind of going down this list and you can scroll down. But these, there's a lot of cryptos, pretty much all cryptos. And the area I want to show you today is a really good area, okay? So if you type mattress, okay, you're going to see a $300 offer. You're going to see a $125 offer. There's going to be more offers. If you log into your Max Bounty account, I went into my Max Bounty account, and I saw some great offers there. If you log into some other network, you're going to see a lot of great offers. But the thing about mattresses and why I really like them is it's an e-commerce offer. And I'm going to show you a very unique way to promote it that I've never talked about before, right? But before we do so, I want to show you something else. This is kind of a diagram, right? This is affiliate marketing diagram. It's also a CPA marketing diagram. Doesn't really matter because, you get your CPA when you get the email opt-in, but you get your affiliate commission when you get a purchase. But it doesn't matter because in this case, it's kind of like affiliate marketing. We're getting a commission only when they buy. They're not going to give you $300 for an email. That's, definitely out of the question. And so what you guys need to be thinking about, right? And this is kind of where a lot of money is, right? It's not really about traffic. It's not really about the offer. I mean, it does help. I mean, that plays a small role. Traffic is important. Offer is important. Traffic source is important. Maybe paid traffic, free traffic, doesn't matter. But the most important thing when it comes to promoting a lot of these CPA marketing offers is the way you're promoting, the way you're coming in, and the way you're making a connection to the user, how you're marketing, how you're presenting your landing page, your copywriting. It's how you're making a connection with the user. And so if you look at this diagram, we have a traffic source and we have a link. This thing right here, I only have kind of this one square here, right? I can make it kind of a little bit darker, but it's super important, right? So we have a website, we have landing page, and actually there's lots of things that you can do to help people. And we want to promote mattresses. Now, obviously, you can create a landing page for promoting mattresses. You can do, paid traffic for promoting mattresses, all of that. But we're going to do something else. We are going to do something very different, all right? So if you Google for stress on the rise, you're going to see stress is on the rise. In the American workplace, employee stress levels have risen nearly 20% in 3 decades. And then I have another article here, 10 causes of stress and how to avoid them. And so I'm not really thinking about selling a mattress. I'm thinking about helping the person deal with their problems, right? It's never about the mattress. Like, I am not, I don't really go to work and let's say I'm stressed out and I'm thinking, okay, I need a new mattress. I'm thinking about how do I become less stressed out? How do I fix this problem? How do I, become less stressed? Do I need to take a vacation? Do I need to take some medicine? Do I need to see a psychiatrist, a doctor, that kind of thing, and maybe all of the above. But if you go for reasons for stress, right, you're going to see a lot of really interesting things, major life changes, work or school, relationship difficulty, financial problems, being too busy, children and family. So there's a lot of reasons. And one of the biggest reasons, at least for me, is not getting enough sleep. And this is, a lot of people don't understand this, and a lot of people don't really do not understand, because we're living in this workaholic culture. We're trying to hustle. Is this hustle mentality, hustle culture? Everybody's trying to make money. You watch Gary Vaynerchuk, right? He's always talking about making money and that kind of thing. And that's all nice and dandy and all, but it kind of wears you down after time. And that's exactly what I'm getting at today, is that a lot of people don't understand that a lot of stress is caused by lack of sleep, or poor sleep, or insomnia, right? So if you do reasons for stress, a lack of sleep, you're going to see a lot of really good, very interesting studies, very interesting results. So it says here, hormone levels. Insufficient sleep can affect hormone production, including the production of growth hormones and testosterone. It also causes the body to release additional stress hormones such as norepinephrine and cortisol. Norepinephrine, whatever. And cortisol. So here you go, right? This is kind of the biological, the medical answers, that people are not getting enough sleep. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be helping people beat their stress, live a very, very more fulfilling lives, have less stress, by helping them to sleep more and sleep better, okay? And we're not going to do that by creating a landing page. We're not going to do that by, just promoting mattresses straight up, right? We're going to do something else. What we're going to do is we're going to head to this tool called Arengu, right? That's ARENGU. You're going to log into your free account, or you're going to sign up for your free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in right here using my account. And this is an amazing tool. It allows you to do amazing things. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to create an questionnaire. We're going to create a questionnaire. We're going to create a form. We're going to be a doctor to this person, kind of a virtual doctor. So let me show you what I mean. Once you're logged in, you're just going to go in here, this thing right here, forms, and you're going to say create a form. We're not going to do templates. We're going to do a blank form. And we're going to hit continue. We're going to use this template right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag this text, and we're going to say, actually, what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, and we're going to drag this rich text. We're going to put it up on top, and we're going to say, and we're going to call it something like this: the stress doctor, beating your stress through science. Okay, something like this. You can kind of work on that. You can change that around. It's really, really up to you. And so here we have this little bit of text. You can also do HTML if you want. So you can do something like this, and you can put HTML in there. If you want to make it bigger, you can kind of want to play with it. So I'm going to delete this for now. And what we want to do is we want to create a quick questionnaire for stress people. And I'm going to show you a free way you can go out and promote this stuff. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to have a choice. We're going to do 3 questions, and then we're going to say, we're going to have like a free form field, okay? So let's do something like this. Are you stressed right now? And you can do something like yes, maybe, no. Yes, a lot. Yes, a little. No, I'm perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Something like this. Another thing that we can do is we can say something like, how long have you been stressing? So, how long have you had this stress? You can say, if yes, and then you could put something like this: all my life, more than 1 year, less than 1 year, very recently. Another thing that you can do, and this is the last question, is what do you attribute your high levels of stress? You could put something like this: financial problems. You can put life event, important life event, And another option could be something like family issues. And then you can put all of the above. I'm not sure, and then all of the above. And then this is going to be the free form question. We can ask them something like this. Feel free to tell us anything else you may want us to know. And this is going to be a free form kind of text. All right. And then when they hit submit, you can do something like, thank you for the answer. You can quote a study. You can do something like this. Hormone levels. It is believed, according to medical studies, you can do something like this. Let me show you. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to say, according to medical studies, insufficient sleep, and then we're going to redirect them to an offer. So we're going to say, they're going to read it. We're going to put maybe 5 or 10 seconds, let's say 5 seconds, and then we're going to redirect them to the offer. So you're going to go back to OfferVault, and so you're going to go back to your affiliate marketing network, Max Bounty or Ambalaya affiliate or anything like that, whatever you're using, and you're going to put affiliate links. So I'm just going to put google.com here, just as an example, 5 seconds, and I'm going to hit publish. Publish is basically a way to save this form. And now I can hit preview. Look at this. I can hit preview, and I can answer it. And now you have a doctor, distress doctor. So actually, why don't we do an HTML? I think HTML is going to look better. You tell me what looks better. I'm going to copy this. Actually, we can even do it here. Look at this. H3. Yeah, you can do something like this, or you can do HTML. Let's paste that there, and I can do HTML, and I can put H1. And now we can save it, we can publish it, and we can take a look. So we can preview. Yeah, so HTML looks better because it's bigger. I can't believe this doesn't have this. Oh, it does have H1. Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need this HTML. We can do something like this. And now we can publish it. We can preview. Look at this. Are you stressed? Yes, a lot, all my life. Financial problems. I've been dealing with stress for a while now. I'm not sure what's causing it. I'm going to hit submit. And then it says here, according to medical studies, insufficient. So we just need a space here, and then it redirects to the offer, right? It's a way to qualify the user and a way to help them out a little bit, right? Because, for instance, what we can do, guys, is we can come here, we can go to submit, display a thank you block, and we can do that. And we can use HTML code, right? So we can do something like paragraph here, and that's automatically going to break it together. And so let's publish it. Let's do another one real quick. We can do preview. Yes, all my life, financial, whatever. I can hit submit, and now it has the spacing. Now, another thing you guys want to do is you want to collect emails, right? What is your best email? You can mark it. What's your best email? Because later on, you can send them an email to another offer, and you can make this required. You can make all questions required, right? You can do that. That way, you're forcing them to qualify themselves to you. Required, right? And now, if you publish it, take a look at this. This is so powerful. You can't do anything, right? All of them are required, and it's not going to let you through. And this is a way to force them to qualify. And it's kind of a way of you telling that you care about them, right? Now, when they're submitting it, you can go to submissions, and you're going to see all the submissions, right? I just added what's your email, and they're going to see the email, right? This is my second submission. This is my first submissions. There's metadata, so you can read where they're from, their IP address, all this good stuff. And that's how you do it. And then all you guys got to do is you can just Google for stress forums, okay, anxiety forum, stress message board, and say, hey, I found this questionnaire on the internet. It really helped me out a lot. It's a way to kind of, deal with my anxiety, deal with what's happening around the world, and kind of calm me down a little bit. And you guys should check it out. And another option that you guys want to do, if you want to promote multiple offers, all you got to do is go to Linktree, right? Linktree, it's this tool right here. And it's a way for you to create multiple links and promote that instead of redirecting to one affiliate offer, right? So I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you. All right, so I'm logged in right now. And all you got to do is add a link so you can add multiple offers. So this could be offer anxiety, offer 1. This could be the URL, and then add another link. And this could be anxiety offer 2. Anxiety offer 2. All right, and another URL. And then you have your link here. You can just share it. You can take that. You can share it. All right, you can just copy it right here. And then you can go back here and redirect them. And so when it says redirect user somewhere, you can go in here and you can redirect them to this thing. That's going to show multiple offers. You can hit publish, and that's going to redirect it. So let me show you how it works. You can preview it. So I'm going to just put a bunch of answers here. There you go. There you go. Whatever. Okay, it's going to display it. You can also talk about you need a mattress. You can put all that, and that's going to redirect to my link tree. Look at that. And it's redirecting to the link tree. Now, I didn't put the URLs because I just did it real quick. That's why it's not displaying the links. But if you put the URLs and you enable it, right, you can just enable it. Well, it's going to be automatically enabled. So if I put a URL, you see how it's green now. If I remove the URL, it's disabled. So you can put that. You can put that. And now you have 2 links. Now it's, well, actually, if you put the same, yeah, there you go. Now it has 2 links. Now if you refresh it, you have your 2 links. Now they're linking to Google, but you guys get the idea. And that way you can talk about you can connect something like stress to a mattress that gives you a $300 payout or $125. So you can promote these 2 offers using the Linktree methods. And this is an amazing offer because remember, guys, people are not looking for products. They're looking for solutions to their issues. All right. So I really hope you enjoyed this method. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in a future video.